How to connect Wi-Fi adapter on your PC or laptop. So simply you just take your receiver or adapter. So just put in your PC or laptop to USB port and just put in carefully. Okay, then go to my display. When I'm connect to USB drive option, just press on to open and I'm get setup option. Easily need to set up. Just easily set up. Press on to setup option, then automatically set up this. Go to Wi-Fi icon, press on to Wi-Fi. Enable and select wireless and enter this password. Just enter Wi-Fi password. Press on next. Then successfully set up and connect Wi-Fi. That's it.